Hi, you guys. This is Naaz Arora. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm here with a very exciting haul. It's a Dior beauty haul. I haven't done a haul in like the longest time. And today I'm here with a very exclusive beauty haul by none other than Dior Beauty. And I've been willing to show you guys all the products that I have, purchased and all of that. And it's a huge haul for a brand like Dior. And this is something that I love. I have always loved, and I have repurchased these products over and over again over the years. And it's a huge haul. We have this beautiful package. Okay, so it was taped. I have already seen all the products beforehand, but I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's begin. Like you can see, there are a lot of products, like literally. Okay, so we have more and we have more. So let me start. So the first product that I have is this waterproof on stage crayon, and it's a kohl eyeliner pencil, and it's in the shade plum. Plum is a very nice, like purplish kind of a shade. Let me unbox it for you guys. It comes with a sharpener from Dior again, and then this is what the crayon looks like. Okay, let me show you the shade, guys. Just tuck it up here. So it has this blender at the back. This is what it looks like. And it's like locked. It's not opening, guys. No, I'm sure I'll be able to pull it off. Was damn tight. Okay. So this is the plum shade. Now you can see the color difference. It's not black. It's a beautiful plum shade. This is what the shade is like. And I think it's absolutely stunning. You can use it on an everyday basis. Something like, say, oh wow, it's a very nice color and very easily blendable. Like you can see, I just applied a bit of it and quickly blended it. Oh wow, that's such a nice smoky touch to my eyelid. Wow, this looks great. And from a distance, it gives that nice smoky effect. I think stunning. So I got this in the shade plum. Beautiful uh, shade. Then next, I have another pencil which I got. It is again a Kogal, but this one is in the shade white. It's 009 Dior on the stage crayon again. Again, it comes with a sharpener of its own, which is great. And this is what it looks like. Same smudger and this white crayon. Wow, look at that one swipe pigment. I am the one who's like put it like 4 times, but look at the one swipe pigment. It's stunning. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful white shade. And it's highly pigmented. For a white stays very rarely. So I really wanted something which was pigmented. Okay, so next we have a brow pencil in the shade black. If you see, I wanted something that could fill my brows. Have a look at the packaging. Isn't it stunning? It's literally like a pencil. And if you go closer, the nib is very thin. And now, if you see, just it's perfect. I think this is one of the most underrated products from Dior. It's so freaking good. Wow. I just wanted to fill in. I usually just fill this space when I'm doing my brows, and you can literally see it's just filled in the empty spaces that I have. And it's giving me that natural look as well. which is something I really appreciate when it comes to a makeup brand. Also, 10 on 10 for the packaging. It's beautiful, and I think it is one of my favorite brow pencils till date. We have the iconic mascara from Dior. It's brick color, and it's this beautiful, stunning orangish brown shade. Let me show it to you guys. I will literally become a very colorful person after this. But look at the mascara, guys. It's giving me that different definition. I'm just applying. Wow. My product choices are very different. I know, but I'm a makeup artist, and I love fashion. I love being seen, and I think this just helps it. Look at how my eyes are suddenly giving this warm tone when I've applied this. Can you see it up close? I think it'll look great if I apply brown kohl with it. And even if I've not done the blue one, I think it'll look great with the plum one as well. Beautiful again. This is again from Dior. Okay. The next product I have are two rosy blushes, two of them. Okay. So the first shade is Rosy Glow 004 Coral. It's a very nice everyday kind of a peach kind of a shade. I love the packaging and I love how it's imprinted all over. It's the feel is so luxurious. Like I'll show you the pigment. It's very light. It's that perfect, very, very light. Like that perfect sun kissed day glow. And the second color that I have is a little darker one, which is in the shade mahogany. It's 020, and it's like a nice brick color. Okay, so this is what the outer packaging looks like, and then comes the mahogany color. It can be used as a contour as well for someone of my skin tone. I think it's great, and I've taken it as a contour in all honesty. Like I wanted a very light blush because on Indian skin tone, peach blushes look really nice. So that's more peach, and then this is more like a contour for my face. And I think I really like the structured jaw and a sharp jawline. I already have one. Like I have no contour today, but then I define it further, and I think this fits perfectly for my nose and all also. Let me show it to you guys. So if you see, when I blend it, it's giving that nice sharp nose on one side, and let me show it to you on the other side. Okay, let's just blend it. Now you see, it acts as the perfect contour. My nose is suddenly looking a wee bit sharper and all. Like I'm not doing a makeup tutorial. I'm just like showing my mind behind these products that I've got. Okay, so the next two products, one is this Dior Lip Maximizer. This is their cult favorite, right? So I had to get my hands on this one. And the shade is Intense Mauve. Okay, so we are back without the lip shade. And now let me just try my lip maximizer in the shade Intense Mauve. Ah, oh my god. Look at that. I love the shine. Isn't that stunning? That's a beautiful color. And it's giving that little tingling effect that they're famous for because of the lip maximizing thing, and this is the shade, guys. It's stunning, amazing. I absolutely love it on myself, and I think it gives me that pout, little pout effect that I love. Last but not the least is the most unexpected purchases of it all. This is a nail paint in the shade Grace. It's a very nice, warm nail paint, and I wanted to have something in my vanity which like screams luxury. And this nail paint is just that. I wanted something very neutral, something that could go with literally everything I wear, and that is why I picked this shade. Look at how stunning it is, guys. Look at how stunning. So this is what, ouch, the nail paint looks like. Oh, it's stuck. Fine. The cap stuck. What do I do? Oh, okay. So basically, I understood now. This is probably like the cover that they have, and then you have to apply it. Wow, just look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I absolutely love it. This is stunning, and I think this is one of my favorite purchases. Literally, there's a reason behind it. I always wanted like a nice nail paint, and I am someone who sometimes goes off, power polish and all of that, and I'm more towards nude and whites, or probably a red in my nail paints. I'm very fixed with my nail paint shades, so this is my favorite purchase of all. That's it for the Dior beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you loved my collection. I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys very soon, and much love. Bye.